We discuss the substitution reaction. Then there is another one, another type B is a elimination reaction. In first substitution reaction, we studied different type of the reaction. Now elimination reaction. In this case, we discuss or we study the reaction where the elimination of adjacent atoms from the alkyl halide to give alkenes. Now the first elimination reaction, we take an example as, suppose we taken here CS3. Ethyl bromides and reaction with here KOH alkali, but presence of the alcohol, it is very important thing that presence of alcohol. In presence of aqueous water, their substitution reaction takes place, but presence of alcohol and reaction on alkali with alkyl halides, their elimination reaction takes place. In this case, this alcoholic KOH or alcoholic NOH, that is strong alkali, reacts with ethyl bromides. What happen here? Here elimination takes place. Means there is remove of these adjacent atoms. Here halogen atom from alpha carbon atom and hydrogen atom from beta carbon atom. This elimination takes place to give the alkene. Here we prepare the alkene. That is, we call ethene. Similarly, we have to take another example. Suppose we taken as another alkyl halide, that is isopropyl bromides. And reaction with alcoholic KOH. Here similar elimination, that is here hydrogen from this carbon atom and bromine from this carbon atom to give propene, or same way it may be possible to remove the bromine from this carbon atom and hydrogen from this carbon atom to give similar type of the compound, that is alkene, we call as a propene. Now we taken one more example in which this is example of 2-bromo-butane. It is IUPAC name and in common name we call secondary butyl bromides. It reacts with alcoholic KOH. We observe two products because in first products bromine and these hydrogens are removed. So it gives that is but-2-ene plus if the remove of the bromine from this carbon atom and hydrogen from this adjacent carbon atom, we use another products. That is but-1-ene plus HBr. Now in this reaction, there are two possibilities. The remove of bromine from this hydrogen atom to give this but2Ne and remove of hydrogen from this adjacent carbon atom to give this but1E. But main product or major product, it takes place 80%, 2-butene, and this is only 20%. That is 1-butene. Why this is so? This is takes place according to Seitzap's rule. During the elimination, such type the situation is observed. There are two different type of possibility are takes place to formation of alkene. Then their main product or major products, that is such type the alkenes are possible. This is according to Seitzap's rule. What it state that? It state that during elimination reaction, the formation of alkene, such type the alkenes are major product, that is those alkene which are highly substituted or those alkene in which major alkyl groups are attached to the both sides of the alkyl groups, alkene or double bonded carbon atom. So according to Seitzap's rule, that during the elimination, the alkene is formed which are more substituted are major products and less substituted are minor products. Thus the Seitzap's rule in this way that this elimination reaction, this reaction is important where there is a formation of two products which takes place according to Seitzap's rule, and major product is the highly substituted alkene where both sides more alkyl groups are present are major products. In this way, this is about the elimination reaction of an alkyl halides. The next reaction, that is reaction with metal. Reaction with sodium metal, suppose Na metal. We also it is called as wood synthesis. In this reaction, from lower alkyl halides, we prepare higher alkyl halides, higher alkanes, sorry. From lower alkyl halides, we prepare the higher alkanes by these methods. Here we taken methyl bromide. React with the sodium metal in presence of the dry ether. Here coupling reactions are takes place, means one methyl bromides, we have taken two methyl bromides which reacts and to form their ethane as higher alkane. In this way, the best use of this method, we taken another one more example. Suppose we taken this C2H5Br plus 2Na plus C2H5Br. Here, such of the reaction takes place where presence of the dry ether to use this C2H5 indicate the butane plus twice NaBr. Means in this example we observed that from the smaller alkyl halides, methyl bromide, we prepare higher alkane ethane. From smaller ethyl bromide, we prepare the butane. And in both the cases, product formed are having even number of carbon atoms. That is ethane, butane, hexane. Such type the alkane prepared by this method are mostly. But if we have to interested to prepare the alkane containing odd number of carbon atom like a propane, pentane, these methods are not very beneficial because there is a mixture of different alkanes are prepared, and to separate such mixture there is again difficulty. So to prepare the even number of carbon atoms of an alkane, this method, best method are used. For example, we interested to prepare the propane, we taken the mixture of methyl bromide with the sodium metal and ethyl bromide. What happened here? Here, these molecules react together, these molecules also react together, and this methyl bromide, ethyl bromide again react together, means 3 different products are possible. So here we taken three molecules, and here taken 6 atoms of sodium. There is possibility to prepare this ethane, butane plus propane plus 6 NABR. Means such way that there are mixture of different alkanes, ethane, butane and propane are obtained, and to prepare we need only propane. Thus there is problem of to separate the system of the mixture. Due to this method is not useful to prepare the higher alkanes containing a odd number of carbon atom. And one more limitation of this method is that this method cannot use to prepare methane also. That is single carbon atom containing alkane also cannot be prepared by this method. Then next method, next chemical reaction is a reaction with magnesium metal or preparation of Grignard reagent. Preparation of Grignard reagent. Now in this case, if alkyl halides, we take an ethyl iodide, react with magnesium metal in presence of the dry ether as a solvent, we use this addition compound called ethyl magnesium iodide. It also called as a Grignard reagent or GR reagent. Means this organometallic compound is formed. This metallic compound together we call organometallic, and this very important organometallic compound we call Grignard reagent. They are used to prepare different type of the organic compounds. Thus, Grignard reagent means the organometallic compound is known as Grignard reagent, and it is prepared by action of magnesium metal on alkyl halides, and it gives addition compound, that is organometallic compound, is called as the Grignard reagent. In this way, by using action of magnesium metal, we prepare the Grignard reagent. Thus, these are the different type of the chemical reaction we have to study. Then there is one more type of the chemical reactions, that is nucleophilic substitution.